Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lexi Nardoni, and I thought it would be fun to vlog my next couple of days. It is February 9th, and it is 80 degrees this whole week in California. So I thought, why not take advantage of it and go to the beach and take you guys with me, show you the beautiful California beaches around here. Almost like mock summer day. Today I am going to Rincon Beach. It is a dog-friendly beach, and I am taking my puppy Gatsby and my parents' 2 Australian Shepherds with me today, and I think it'd just be a little fun afternoon. It's already 2:30, so we gotta get going. To Rincon Beach. I set up everything. The boys have their shade and towels, and I have my towel to lay on. Probably throw the frisbees for the boys, read, tan, and I'll update you guys. So Rincon is a beach up, it's past Ventura. I think it's in Carpinteria technically. So it's quite a ways up from LA, but I'd say 110 worth it. Beach is so big, look at all the way there. So far to walk. So it's a walking beach and laying out beach. And yeah, I am definitely gonna be frequenting this beach over the summer. It's just a lovely beach. None of them are using the blanket I set up. They're all sitting on the outskirts of it. Rude. I'm finished tanning and all that, but I'm gonna stay for sunset. What I like to do is watch it on the top. There's like little benches up there, and it's just the best view. We're gonna cut to the next day. I go to the beach, which I think will be in 2 days. So I didn't think I was gonna vlog today, but it's my friend Sunny's birthday, and last minute he had a cancellation for his dinner, so I told him I would go, and also my friend Charlize is also gonna drive down to him and have dinner with him. So I was already gonna pick up his present today, but now I have to do it all in one day so I can give it to him tonight. So I did not want to film in the liquor store for obvious reasons. It's a liquor store, but I got him this, hold on, pomegranate tequila. It says liqueur, but it's actually 100% agave tequila. I've tried it. It is so good. I don't like tequila, and I can drink this just straight with like some ice. So I'm gonna go now to Michael's and pick up some like glitter or something to decorate the back and put like his name. And I got this cute bag. Let's get to decorating the bottle. Okay, I finished it. Here is the final thing. Here's the final thing. Looks so good. I can't wait to give it to him. So next I will see you is at the dinner tonight. I customized your thing. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Take a picture of that. That's so cute, actually.
Open it.
Okay. First I have to acknowledge this cute little like shaker.
Yes, from your favorite wife.
Throw out my card. Oh my god. So cute.
It's for dice.
we are back at the same beach, Rincon, again today, but today we're gonna be walking, doing a nice long walk for the boys and throwing the frisbee and maybe laying out a little bit, but I'm not gonna be here as long as I was the other day. Okay, sunscreen first. I'm a little warmed up. I walked a bit and threw the frisbee for the boys, so I'm gonna get in my bikini and put some sunscreen on. Almost to the pier, but I think I'm gonna turn around now. Look how far we walked. You see the tiny little ramp? That's what we came down, right there. So now we gotta walk all the way back, but I might lay out before we get all the way back. We are done at the beach, so I will see you tomorrow for I think the last day I'm gonna film. Today is the last day of this vlog. I am going down to Santa Monica for my friend Sunny's birthday, so I'm gonna take you to the beach and all that. I'm not gonna bring this camera, so the rest of this video is gonna be all taken on my iPhone, and then probably meet you back here and check out with you guys. But let's get going to Santa Monica. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed seeing all of the beaches I've gone to this week. There are definitely a lot more beaches that I love and would love to show you guys, so make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss it. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.